Use potpourri. Potpourri is an assortment of spices and dried flower petals used to create atmospheric ambience. It has lots of uses to beautify and make a residence smell enticing. Optimize the benefits of potpourri to enthrall visitors and amazed household members. Below are guides on how to use potpourri, where to buy potpourri. Scented plant ingredients like woodchips, pinecones, leaves, petals, and whole flowers can be bought from boutiques, groceries, and online entrepreneurs who sell various crafts and herbal items. Consider collecting your materials for the potpourri. Dry them and add essential oils to make a homemade potpourri. Determine the different common blends of potpourri. These blends will help you achieve the mood or ambience that you want. First of the example blends is the striking citrus blend. Mix 3 drops of jasmine, 9 drops of sandalwood, 5 drops of oakmoss, 12 drops of grapefruit, and 12 drops of bergamont. For a citrus blend that has a romantic floral scent, mix 12 drops of bergamot, 6 drops of cedarwood, 5 drops of lemon, 4 drops of ylang ylang, and 8 drops of grapefruit. For a fabulous Christmas time blend, mix 7 drops of juniper, 8 drops of fir needle, 7 drops of cedarwood and 8 drops of spruce. For a comforting spicy blend, mix 4 drops of frankincense, 11 drops of orange, 1 drop of nutmeg, 6 drops of ginger, and 8 drops of cinnamon. Use potpourri for a simmering scent. Boil 6 cups of water in a crock pot. Bring it to boil, uncovered. Add about half to a cup of dry potpourri. Then, turn down the heat until the mixture simmers. Regularly check if there's a need to add water in the pot. Include all kinds of spices and dried flower petals in the potpourri to achieve the best effect. Buy enough variety of potpourris if possible. The enchanting smell from simmered potpourri will mesmerize household members and guests. It's an inexpensive and easy method to create an ambience for a party or gathering. Use potpourri as a home accent. Get a clear decorative glass. Fill it with potpourri. Add water, and top it with various fresh flowers. The combination of visual aesthetics and fragrance of fresh and dried flowers is captivating. Determine the best places to place the potpourri. Among the best places are the window, countertops, and empty tables in a highlighted space. Make 2 or 3 decorative glasses with potpourri to intensify the overall accent of your home, especially if there's a special occasion. Use fake plants to show off potpourri. Put potpourri instead of putting fake moss in a fake plant space. The seemingly lackluster fake plants will become remarkable. You can put the fake plant base beside the decorative base or put it somewhere else where it will be highlighted. Living room and near windows are the best locations to place fake plants with potpourri. Change potpourri every week or when the fragrance starts diminishing. Buy stalks of potpourri to make an ambience to your place anytime you want. Potpourri also serves as a great gift. They are easily appreciated not just because of their scent, but also because of their look.